Oh man, I'm so excited to go out to my fair today. Yes, I've been waiting for this day for over 1 month. I planned it 3 months ago and I signed up a ticket 2.5 months ago, and now today's the day. Yay!
So I'm going to. What am I gonna do? I don't think I'm gonna do. Oh my God! Why does it keep hurting all the time?
Oh, Skullbone. Oh, sorry. Trooper. Are you okay?
Oh my God, Barry! I am okay, but I'm gonna do a little bit of some art. All right?
Okay.
You know, I'm gonna do a bit of drawings on the board. Do a little bit of them. Oh my God! This actually looks like a pretty nice whiteboard here.
Oh, Trooper, I think...
Wait, what do you think about the whiteboard, Barry?
I think it's a bad idea.
But the whiteboard's so nice. Why do you think it's a bad idea?
You might fall, Trooper.
But look at its luxury. This costs like freaking $450,000 or something.
No, I mean, it just costs like the normal money.
You know what? 450,000, that's luxury. I'll do a little bit of some art, alright?
Trooper, no!
I wanna draw this. Hey, oh my God, I like this marker. It's so nice. It's really nice. Ah! Oh my God, I feel hurt. What have I done? What have I done so wrong?
Oh, I'm so worried that Trooper's broke his leg.
I did not break my leg, Barry. Hey, Barry.
What, Trooper?
Would you like to check what I wrote on the board? You wanna see it?
Okay. Really? Only 15?
Well, that's my favorite number, boy.
Well, you can draw an art of 15, aren't you?
Yeah, man. You know what? I'm gonna dance and dance.
Well, I kind of got a suggestion for you. Maybe you should draw something more artistic rather than just a number.
Ah, yeah. I can draw something artistic. Yee! Haha, I'm coming. Barry, you wanna check out now?
Okay. Dude, that's the Greek letter omega.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? Do you like omega?
Yeah.
Okay, I mean, I like omega as well. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna write it down this. Oh my God, that sucks a little bit. Oh, jeez. You know what? Ah, there we go.
Are any other drawings? Trooper!
Yo. I wrote a very crazy kind of spiral and also the zodiac sign for Aries. Ha 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 ha. Oh well. I'm kind of glad I did this thing. Now I feel a bit tired and...
Well, you know what? I gotta tell something to you, Trooper.
Yeah, what is it?
You know that this week I took school off because my teacher says I'm the best student ever.
Oh my God, I'm so jealous. I wish that happened to me.
So I'm kind of glad I saw your drawings.
Yeah, man. I'm gonna leave now, anyways. I'll see you another time. I'll see you, Trooper. See you, Barry.
Oh, jeez. What kind of an experience was that? I wish I could show him one of his drawings.
Oh, one more thing, Barry. Did you draw this?
Yeah.
Let me see. It's sun, a bird, and a thunderstorm. All right, well, I gotta go. I'm late for my appointment. I'll see you another time.
Ooh. So I just drew a sun, a bird, and rain, lightning, cloud. Well, I like drawing as well.